Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're doing another TecBoss product. It's another Bluetooth FM transmitter. This is the second one from TecBoss. This one has the same functionalities as all the other ones. So this plugs into the 12-volt port or accessory port. It has two USB ports on this here and one on the actual head itself. It has channel where you can actually change the channel for the FM mode, skip to the next song, play, stop, and answer your phone. It's really straightforward, folks. These are getting to be much more popular these days because people are getting tickets like crazy with not having hands-free. Having this ability to be able to avoid a ticket would be a home run, and this will do that for you. We're going to be demonstrating this in the Prius.
Okay, so now we're on 107.7 on this device. So I'm doing a scan right now for the device. And there it is, KM20. We're going to connect. Paired. Okay, now we're paired. On the bottom of this, I actually put some music on here. So I'm going to put this here like so. And it plays my music. So now I'm making a quick phone call. Okay, now we're calling.
Hello?
Hello. I'm just real quick. I'm doing a demonstration of the KM20 right now. How does my audio sound?
You sound like if a device was actually integrated into the car.
Well, that's good. That's good news. So, I mean, I'm not sure. Let me see. If I talk closer to the device, does it sound like I'm getting louder? Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's definitely confirmed that I'm using the microphone that's built into the device. So anyway, well, thank you very much for the demonstration, helping me out.
Cool, no problem whatsoever, pal.
If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw.
Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive.
100A in the Prius.
The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,